Welcome to my channel where we discuss finance, real estate, and life topics. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe for up-to-date information. So in this video, I'm going to discuss how you can get a minimum of $10,000 in free money to help your business stay afloat during this most difficult time. If this interests you, stay tuned through the end of the video to get all this important information. The United States Senate just passed the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act, also known as the CARES Act, which provides direct financial relief to the American people and American businesses. The legislation passed provides direct financial aid to American families, helps with payroll and operating expenses for support for small businesses, and loan assistance for distressed industries. One of the core pieces of the CARES Act is the provision of $350 billion for small businesses, federally backed loans under the Small Business Administration. The program under the SBA is called the Paycheck Protection Program. Congress has designed the program to make funds available to qualifying businesses through approved banks and non-bank lenders. Qualifying businesses include businesses with up to 500 employees. Other qualifying businesses are businesses in the accommodation and food service industries with more than one physical location but no more than 500 employees at each location, nonprofit organizations, and eligible independent contractors and sole proprietors. Borrowers can borrow 2.5 times their monthly payroll, up to $10 million. This is huge, guys. It really is designed to help struggling small businesses stay afloat during this difficult time. The funding may be used for qualifying purchases such as payroll costs, rent, utilities, and interest on mortgage and other debt obligations. Now you may be asking yourself, okay, so the government is giving out loans for small businesses which will need to be paid back and will ultimately put these companies or small businesses into more debt. So what's the point? So that's what you're probably thinking. Well, good news is a very key important part of this legislation is that the government is offering loan forgiveness, guys. Loan forgiveness. With this added benefit, the funding becomes more of a grant or free money versus a loan that will need to be repaid. Again, very important, the SBA has no recourse, meaning no authority to go after any borrower for non-payment of this loan, except if the borrower or business owner use the loan proceeds for non-allowable purposes. So as long as you use the money to pay your workers, to keep them employed and on your payroll, use it for rent, utility payments, payment of any debt you owe, you are good. You are good. There's no personal guarantee or collateral required. The government really is trying to encourage small businesses to keep their employees on payroll. Loan forgiveness is available for funds used to pay 8 weeks of payroll and other qualified expenses. Another important part of this bill is the fact that borrowers seeking an immediate influx of funds. So if you need money right now, today, you may be able to receive a $10,000 emergency advance within 3 days, guys, after applying for the grant. That's huge. Imagine being able to access $10,000 within 72 hours. Additionally, if your application is denied for some reason, the applicant or the borrower is not required to repay the $10,000 advance. Let's go over that one more time just in case you didn't get it.
You're not required to repay the $10,000 advance.
Emergency advance funds can be used for payroll costs, increased material costs, rent or mortgage repayments, or repaying other obligations that cannot be met due to revenue loss. In terms of repayment of the funds, payments of the principal, interest, and fees can be deferred for at least 6 months. So they're giving you a grace period, but no more than 1 year, so 6 months to a year. Additionally, interest rates are capped at 4%, guys. The SBA will not collect any yearly or guarantee fees for the loan, and all prepayment penalties are waived. So again, the government is really trying to provide small businesses with access to liquid cash during this difficult time. They're really trying to make it as easy as possible to allow maximum flexibility by delaying repayment, capping interest costs, so the rates are low, so you're borrowing money at a very low rate, and even offering the possibility of loan forgiveness, guys, meaning you keep the money for free. I think this is a very good program. I really hope that most businesses take advantage of this unique opportunity being afforded by the U.S. government right now. My heart really goes out to those workers who have been laid off due to businesses closing, such as restaurants, bars, clubs. Hopefully business owners tap into this lifeline being provided by our government right now and start helping to get those workers back on payroll as soon as possible. If you found value in today's content, please like the video, give it a thumbs up. Please share it and subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out. Be sure to subscribe for up-to-date notifications. Please leave comments and feedback. And what are your thoughts about this program? Is it enough? Do you think more needs to be done? I would really love to get some feedback in the comments section, so please comment. And as always, I, Joe, want to know what you know. Thank you and have a great day.